Welcome to Libertex. Since hitting lows at the end of March and into April, gold has managed to climb back into bull territory and is currently trading above levels not seen since early February. The impressive run-up has seen gold increase in value by over $150 since April levels, which is significant for the safe haven asset. With where we are trading currently in the $1,850 channel, were the levels last month the new bottom for gold, and is this reversal set to continue upwards? Stay until the end of the video, as we'll be uncovering the central developments fueling the latest price action for gold, with a view into the gold technical analysis towards the end. And for the latest content on the gold markets, breakout cryptocurrency trades, stocks, and more, make sure to support us in our research by liking this video and subscribing to our channel to never miss a beat from inside the markets. So without further ado, let's get started with the gold trading update. Gold is becoming more and more of an interesting trade, as it shows signs of setting up a key technical breakout pattern on the $1,850 line of resistance. After months of sideways trading to the downside following January highs, the market sentiment seems to be turning course for gold. So what's behind this newfound momentum for gold prices? To start, the increasing amount of tension and conflict in the Middle East over Israel and Palestine has ushered in new uncertainty to the market, and as a safe haven asset, gold is positioned to strengthen from bad news. On top of this, the US dollar has fallen even lower recently, performing sluggishly on new updates on disappointing jobs numbers and lower than expected US retail sales. Another important factor that has influenced the price action of gold lately is that US bonds have also cooled off from highs in light of the latest economic reports. What's more is that COVID cases appear to be rising throughout parts of Asia, and the rollout of the vaccine outside of the US appears to be largely delayed. On top of all of this, there is still great concern for inflation, and the US Federal Reserve has signaled that it will continue its easy money policy in light of the disappointing economic and retail figures revealed last Friday. The combination of these developments has created a strong climate for gold to thrive in, and the reversal out of the downtrend experienced for the past months has shown that gold can continue to be a big mover for traders and investors alike. On the flip side, developments that could come in to handicap the run-up for gold include rapid improvements in the COVID situation and the acceleration of reopening. In addition to these updates, from a technical analysis perspective, gold is now trading at a very important level. Let's now take a look into the technical chart for gold to get a better read on where we can possibly see gold going from here with where we are going into the end of the month. Alright, we are now in the Libertex trading terminal looking at the technical chart for gold, and just taking a look back, you can see how gold broke out at the start of the year, but has since traded to levels seen largely back in 2020 up until recently. Since hitting the mid $1,600 levels back at the end of March and into April, we have seen a very nice run back up, giving gold a roughly 10% increase in price. And when we look at the channel gold is currently trading in, we are at levels last seen since February. So we can see that gold is now attempting to consolidate around the critical $1,850 level, which it has so far traded under. The reason this level is so critical is that the $1,850 mark could be the launch pad traders are looking for to get a move back up and beyond the highs experienced back in January. So what traders really need to be keeping their eye on in the short term, specifically in the February 10th swing high at 1855 right here as an immediate point of resistance before a bigger breakout to the January 29th high at 1875 can be put into motion. If this 1875 level is breached, serious price momentum and buying could theoretically enter the market for gold and potentially lift gold back to its January 6 high at $1,960 in the short to mid-term. Failure to convincingly consolidate and trade beyond the $1,850, $1,855 level could increase the presence of sellers, which in the short term may bring gold back to the nearest level of support found at 1820 from just around 2 weeks ago. This immediate level should hopefully be enough of a cushion to prevent gold from falling further, but if that does become the case, gold may be pushed back to some of the lows back from April, starting at the April 29th level of around 1755, and then downwards to the 1720 level should greater support at these levels break. If anything, the latest price action for gold should act as a reminder that gold is indeed capable of making big moves and is still seen by many as a safe haven investment in periods of greater uncertainty as it relates to geopolitical and economic developments. So, should you be trading gold in the short term, do consider setting stop losses at some of these levels of support here if gold cannot sustain itself above this $1,850 level. But if it does, have some of these higher levels as points of exit if you are not planning on holding for the long term. Do you think gold will continue the rally? Let us know your thoughts and price predictions for gold in the comments to join the conversation with our analysts and community. If you're interested in taking up positions with gold and trading it, whether for the long or short term, Libertex makes it easy. Head over to libertex.com or via the links in the description to make a free account in just a few minutes and get in on the action. Not only do we offer gold, silver, and other metals, but also the top cryptocurrencies, stock CFDs, forex pairs, and more. We hope you enjoyed this updated gold price forecast video and that it gave you a bit more insight on where we could possibly see gold trading in the coming weeks. Make sure to like this video to help us make more updates and support our mission to give traders a sharper edge. We wish you a great month of trading and look forward to seeing you next time.